Are you a content creator wondering what kind of videos the YouTube system favors? Are you eager to unlock the secrets of YouTube's recommendation algorithm? Look no further because we've got the inside scoop on how YouTube personalizes recommendations, evaluates video performance, and factors in external influences. In this article, we'll explore the intricate workings of YouTube's recommendation system and share strategies to boost your video's visibility. Welcome back to Monarch Smart TV. You all ready? Let's jump in understanding YouTube's recommendation system. 1. Video type doesn't matter. YouTube's recommendation system doesn't have preferences when it comes to video formats. It doesn't favor vlogs over tutorials, or gaming over beauty. Instead, videos are ranked based on performance and viewer personalization, which includes their watch and search history. In other words, it's all about the audience's interests. 2. Personalized recommendations. YouTube tailors its recommendations by considering several factors. Past enjoyment. YouTube analyzes what videos viewers have enjoyed in the past to suggest content they're likely to enjoy in the future. Video associations. The system identifies videos that are often watched together, helping it introduce viewers to new content. Channel and topic preferences. By tracking how much of a channel or topic a user watches, YouTube recommends content that aligns with their interests. Video performance matters. YouTube evaluates video performance in a few key ways. Viewer engagement. When a video is recommended to a viewer, YouTube pays attention to whether they choose to watch it, ignore it, or mark it as not interested. Viewer retention. The platform assesses how long viewers stick around by looking at average view duration and average percentage viewed. Feedback metrics. YouTube considers likes, dislikes, and post-watch survey results to gauge viewer satisfaction. Factors that influence your videos reach. 3 external factors influence how many people see your videos. 1. Topic interest. This refers to how many people worldwide are interested in and watching videos about a particular topic. Some topics have broader appeal than others, and trends can change over time. 2. Competition. YouTube's algorithm ranks videos from all channels a viewer might watch. Even if your video has good metrics, it may get fewer impressions if other channels are performing exceptionally well. 3. Seasonality. YouTube traffic can fluctuate throughout the year. Consider your audience's location and the time of year, as major holidays and events can impact viewership. Strategies to get your videos recommended. YouTube's recommendation system is designed to help viewers discover content they'll love. Here are some tips to increase your chances of getting recommended. Audience-centric content. Focus on creating content that resonates with your audience. Pay attention to what they enjoy and make more of it. Know your audience. Get to know your viewers. Understand what they like and how often they engage with your channel. Consistency is key. Maintain a consistent uploading schedule to keep your audience engaged and returning for more. Quality over quantity. Prioritize high-quality content over frequent uploads. Engaging videos are more likely to be recommended. Stay informed. Keep an eye on trends and changes in your niche. Adapt your content to remain relevant. In conclusion, YouTube's recommendation system doesn't play favorites when it comes to video types. Instead, it's all about catering to your audience's preferences and delivering content that keeps viewers engaged. By understanding the system and implementing these strategies, you can increase the chances of your videos being recommended and reaching a wider audience. For more tips on boosting your YouTube presence and engaging your audience, be sure to check out our podcast discovery tips in our next article. Peace and love, and we up outta here.